Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate street light control through our wireless system. So for street light control, here I'm using RFDL71B, which is dimmer actuator, and this is LED street light, and I'm control the intensity of this street light, means control the brightness by using RF WB40G, which is wireless switch. So okay, now I am going to increase brightness. You can able to see over here, and now I'm going to decrease the brightness. Increase, decrease, once again increase, and off. So this is our product for dimming, which is used